I'm gonna miss everybody here. Shelly, you look good. Oh my God, Jerry!
That's my girl. Pam, 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 Pam. Pam, Pam, Pam,
Pam. I can take that for you.
That's okay, I got it.
Here, just give it to me so I can put it with the rest of the coats.
That's okay. Hey, do I know you?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're bathroom girl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, at Pam's last thing you hid in the bathroom the whole time. I saw you when you snuck out. Hey, guess what? It's bathroom girl. You know, just like in there the whole time and I was like,
Okay, be cool.
oh my God, you're so weird.
I have social anxiety. It's a disorder. Here, just give me the jacket so I can put it inside.
Yeah, so you can take it into the bathroom.
Get up. I know you hear me. Get up now.
Hey, sis, what's up?
Hey, do you know what today is?
Oh, you know, actually my birthday is next month.
Yes, and today's the 1st of the month. Rent is due.
Well, you know, I'm actually waiting to hear back from the guy about the check.
What guy?
You know, like, I can't give you anything until I get the check from the place.
What guy? What place?
You know, it doesn't even really matter. It's just like, I'll make sure that I get you your money once I get the check. It's just been so hard since Grandma died.
Really? Grandma died 2 years ago.
Yeah, but it feels like it was just yesterday.
Please. Who are you?
Please don't leave.
Who are you?
My name is Emily.
How did you find this place?
I followed you back from the woods.
Are you infected?
Of course she's not, just look at her.
Shut up, Julian. Are you infected?
I'm not.
Take off your clothes. Show us that you're not infected. Take off your clothes. Okay. I believe you.
So, how long were you in the woods for?
Maybe 2-3 days.
What's it like out there?
It's quiet. Secluded.
You have any family?
My parents got infected.
Ours too.
Come on, Julian. It's time to go to bed.
It's not even dark out.
Come on.
Sophie!
What?
Can we talk for a second, please? I know it's weird.
I'm seeing someone.
That's great. Really.
What are you doing?
I didn't think I'd see you.
I really have to go back.
Do you want to clean your dress first?
It's fine. Don't worry about it. Today is just...
You look like you're having a rough day. Come on, let's go somewhere.
What?
We would have to find you a new dress without a giant fucking stain in the middle of it, but yeah. Let's go somewhere.
Why would I want to go with you anywhere? I literally haven't seen you since you left me for our neighbor.
Yeah, I'm not with her anymore.
Look, I know that you had a lot going on with your mom, and maybe I didn't handle any of that well, But I was trying to be there for you, you selfish dick.
You're right, I acted like a dick.
No, you are a dick.
Okay, I apologize for that. Peace offering for my supremely dickish behavior. Let me take you somewhere. What do you say? It'll be an adventure.
I could use an adventure.
Yeah, I know.